This demonstration shows the blistering performance of the AccelStor P310 NVMe all-flash array using a full workload of 100% 4K random write performance. The P310 is our first NVMe all-flash array, which has been specifically designed for high performance and ultra-low latency. Here we highlight the allocated space and physically used capacity of this array before we begin our demonstration. And a quick look at the 8 SSD drives we are using. And a quick look at the 10 NVMe SSD drives we are using. Note the thin provisioning ratio we are using is set to 1. Set the MPIO policy to round robin. And set the performance monitor to measure the array throughput and inbound traffic stats. Set Iometer to stress this test volume. And note, we set Iometer to stress random write in 4K blocks. Here you can see total IOs per second running at around 752K. Note the average latency response time is running at around 0.0689 milliseconds, that's 689 microseconds. The clock shows the whole story of the IOs per second and stabilizes around 740K IOPS. Which shows outstanding performance and low latency numbers. Note the 29% CPU utilization numbers. It's hardly breaking into a sweat. You can see the graph at the bottom recording the sustained 740K IOPS. Note once again the graph is green, which shows the write IOPS, not the read IOPS, which is not shown here. This is all just write action. You can see the color graph showing all the inbound traffic. For read performance, we will set it to read data from the P310 for 18 workers using a queue depth of 32 and also a random read at 4K, all perfectly aligned. Note, this gauge is set to measure throughput in millions of IOPS, which is extreme performance. The AccelStor P310 NVMe all-flash array, so fast it can catch lightning.